What's up, guys? Part 2. Big leaves. Holy crap, there are some big leaves.
Yeah, these are big leaves. We have this special tree with the big leaves on it. Very good for wiping your butt after you take a poop.
How do you know that? Okay, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Come chase me! The bird. It's a bird. It's a bird. Hi, little guy. How are you doing? No way I'm this close to a bird, bro. Little guy. What? What? Can I see?
I put a start.
It just flew. I saw it flying the engine.
Oh, you have a leaf in there?
I know. Well,
Wait. We can open. Oh, why is it? Is this broken or something? Okay, I'm gonna see if this freaking hood is broken.
take me down. Oh!
Oh yeah, I know why it's broken.
Why?
I'm not broken. I'll do it later. Get off. Get off. So, did you see that piece of scrap that I found that was in the yard that I brought into my dad?
Yeah.
That was part of the lawnmower. That was part of the hood.
What kind of? Wait. Where's the strap? Wait. What?
I don't know. Well, get off.
But did you
Get off.
carjack me? Hold on. I'm not
Carjack.
No, bro. You just carjacked me. Bro, that's my car.
Not.
Bro. Stop! That's my car! That's my car! He said slow down. Give me my thing real quick, Dylan. Let me get on. Ah! What? Go. Yeah. What's up, guys? So, hey, you're leaving me.
Are you gonna get on?
Oh, stop your engine.
Unlock the whole engine off.
I meant stop your car. Close enough. That pin ain't never coming out, bro. Yeah. What are you pulling? You're pulling something right there. Look. I hear a bird. I have bird detection. I know where a bird is. Hold on. Gotta get my memory up real quick. Aha! That's one that can fly. Hold on. That one can barely fly. My bird sensation is sensational. Oh, it's a delightful taste sensation. Hello? There's one in there. Oh my god, guys. Guys, look. Little baby bird. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on. No way, he's flying. He's flying. Come on, boy. Guys, this guy looks like he's a baby. Sneak attack! Sneak attack! Sneak attack! Come on, little boy. You're okay. No! You're okay. You're okay, little boy. I'm trying to grab him. Don't like harm it though. Little bird. Ah, little bird.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
You can fly. I'm on block right here. Go around the corner. He's right there. All eyes locked on him. Come on, little boy. You okay, little boy? Dylan, how long is your video so far?
20 minutes.
Is it actually?
Okay. We're gonna make part 2.
I'm gonna make a part 2 in 5 seconds.
Okay. Bye, guys.